Is milk considered as a great option for you to consume in your fat loss and muscle gaining program? Then please check out this video. Do you know what is present in milk? Milk has whey protein, whey isolate, whey concentrate, and casein protein is present in milk. Milk has good sources of proteins, carbs, fats, saturated fats, sugar, which is the lactose sugar. There is a big myth being created by the society that milk affects your fat loss journey and your muscle gaining journey as well. So this is totally wrong. Remember one thing, if your daily macros is totally balanced and is on point, then milk won't be affecting your any of the journey. Consumption of milk in limitations is always a better idea. Limit the saturated fat in your diet till 20 grams per day. Apart from your daily macros, if you consume 240 ml of milk daily, then it won't affect your journey. People who are shredding immensely, they want to go down to 8% or 9% body fat. These people cut down lactose from their diet. And that too in the last few weeks of their cycle. And I think these people are just 5% of the total population. So you rest of the guys won't worry. So basically any food product, any fruit or maybe liquors and drinks won't be affecting your fat loss and muscle gaining journey unless and until they are consumed in limitation. Also, people who are lactose intolerant can shift on to almond milk, walnut milk or maybe soya milk. So milk is really good for your health. So please don't omit this from your diet. For more details, please save this video and follow our page. Cheers.